Okay, so going back to an article called "Is Space Travel Worth It?" from John Burson, there's a quote saying, "As humans, there's an innate condition to understand the unexplainable." Psychologist Jerome Kagan posed that the human condition wants to eliminate the distress of the unknown and is highly motivated to reach concrete explanations. Social psychologist Ari Krupolansky defined it as cognitive closure, describing this as individuals' desire for a firm answer to a question and an aversion towards ambiguity. So I think this again addresses that there's more than just a dollar for dollar benefit of space travel across the board. So whether that's here in another country, but as a human species, and I think especially in where we are in the world today, I don't think we can afford to skip any opportunity to bring all different nations together. I think we've all seen the divisiveness and stuff going on. So any opportunity for us to get together and work together as humankind and address the fact that we're all people in the world and we all have common interests and we all have common issues going on or common wants for life, I think that that's an important thing to capitalize on. Another quote from NASA: "Space exploration offers a unique and evolving perspective on humanity's place in the universe, which is common to all. Every day, space exploration missions fulfill people's curiosity, producing fresh data about the solar system that brings us closer to answering profound questions that have been asked for millennia." So I don't think that the want for this or the desire is going to go anywhere, and I don't think that just putting a halt on it for the quote-unquote foreseeable future is going to satiate people's want or desire for that, especially by just putting a Facebook Live post on or a live stream or whatever and 17 million hits. Like, I've seen more for a concert in all quite honesty, so I think that there's more benefit and desire for something like that. Also, if we go back and look, again from NASA, the first 5 decades of human activity in space had a profound impact on the social development of humankind. Yuri Gagarin's first moments in space and Neil Armstrong's first step on the moon truly were giant steps for mankind, because they expanded our views about the limits of human travel and planted seeds for new thinking about where beyond Earth human existence might be possible. Stephen Hawking has argued that to confine our attention to terrestrial matters would be to limit the human spirit. Understanding whether sustained human activity beyond Earth orbit is actually feasible will have a profound influence on cultural and intellectual life around the world and on humanity's views and expectations of itself. I also think, again from NASA's quotes, partnerships and capabilities developed through human space exploration create new opportunities for addressing other global challenges. Space exploration is an inherently worldwide endeavor that attracts broad international interest and affects people all across the globe by producing knowledge, capabilities, and relationships that help society deal with some of the most pressing long-term global challenges. Space exploration is a catalyst for nations to build mutual understanding and trust, and international partnerships that advance common exploration goals to help align interests among nations and promote diplomacy. So the last quote I'll leave you with is again from NASA, talking about the International Space Station, and they talk about how ongoing research in the space environment of the International Space System in areas such as human physiology, plant biology, material science, and fundamental physics continues to yield insights that benefit society as a whole. For example, studies of the human body's response to extended periods in microgravity environment in the International Space System are improving our understanding of the aging system and beyond. Thank you.